Welcome back, Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. I thought I would dive in on this Cole P-47D. I'm going to paint both parts and see which canopy looks better on it, or just make them interchangeable. And I'm going to get started on painting this one. So, yeah, hope you guys like a little change up of different things. I know I was doing a square body truck there for a little while. And did a little pre-building right here. Then I kind of staged all my parts so they are ready for paint. And yeah, so I'll bring you right back once I get the stuff well in the base coat. All right, guys. Just to bring you right back on the video here. We got the green, the black, and the red. And I just realized if I want to start another project, I gotta get a couple more of these sticks and things that hold the sticks. So I'll leave you with this little bit right here. And you guys have a good day and keep on building. And have fun with the hobby. Don't care what the critics think. So you all have a good day, and thanks for watching. All right, bye.